Hello, everyone. Welcome to English for Newbie. Let's begin together. Hello, Miller.
Hello, Sarah.
Hello, Dad. Hello, Mom. Hello.
What are we doing today?
We are going to the park. To the park? Wow! Oh, park! Yay!
Yes, Jack. We are going to the park.
It is our first trip. I am so happy. I am Dusko very happy. I want to play.
Yes, we will play.
Come on, everyone, get ready.
What do we need?
We need water. Yes, water.
And some snacks?
Yes, some yummy snacks. Where's my shoe? I cannot find my shoe. Your shoe? What's wrong, Jack? My shoe is lost. Oh no, let's look together. Is it in the closet? Here it is, my shoe! Great, now we are all ready. Let's go. Look, big trees, so many trees. And the sun is so bright. Yes, and look at the clouds. They look like soft cotton.
We are almost there. The park is very close now.
Look, the park! Wow, it's so big. Are you ready for some fun? Yes! Let's play on the slide. Okay, let's go. I want to swing on the swings.
Okay. We have time for everything.
Look at the ducks in the pond. Wow. Oh no, look at the clouds. It looks like it will rain. Rain? I don't want to go home.
Don't worry. It's just a small cloud. I think it will pass.
A doggy! Hello, doggy! I think it's hungry. Can we give it a cookie? That's very kind, Rose. Yes, you can give it one cookie. The sun is back! Yay!
See? It was just a small cloud. We had a wonderful day.
It was a perfect first trip to the park for our family. We had a great time today. We hope you did too. See you next time.